Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So in this video, we are going to learn how to take online appointments for your catering services and send messages on WhatsApp. So imagine this, I own a catering service business and I take online appointments. Now what I want to do is, whenever a client is going to book an appointment, I want to send a confirmation message to them on their WhatsApp automatically. So here for this I am using two software applications, You Can Book Me and WhatsApp. So here I am using You Can Book Me to take new appointments, as You Can Book Me is an online appointment managing software. You can use any other software like Acuity Scheduling or Calendly to take appointments. And I am using WhatsApp, which is a famous chat application, to send messages. So here the idea is, whenever a new appointment is booked in You Can Book Me by a client, I want to send a message to them on their WhatsApp automatically. But there is an issue. You Can Book Me and WhatsApp do not have any direct contact or any native integration between them. So to perform this task, I need to create an automation between You Can Book Me and WhatsApp. So for this, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will build an automation between You Can Book Me and WhatsApp. So here what will happen is, whenever a new appointment is booked in You Can Book Me, a message will be sent on WhatsApp automatically. Isn't it wonderful? So the best part here is, to use Pabbly Connect, you do not need to have coding skills and programming knowledge. It is actually very easy to use. Any non-technical person can also use this very easily. So let us understand this complete process on my screen along with a real-time example. Okay guys, so this is the dashboard of youcanbook.me, and here I've already created my account and start using it. So from here you can see these are all the booking pages of my account, and further in the video I'm going to tell you that how you can also create your account and start making booking pages. So here I've already created a booking page for my catering services. So here is the page. Here is the name of my page, which is 𝗏𝗏 Catering Services, and here from here this calendar kind of window, my clients can book the appointment. They can choose the time slot and days according to their needs. So what I'm going to do right now is, I'm going to show you as an example how this process is going to work. So for this, I will make a demo appointment and then we will check on WhatsApp if the message is sending or not. So here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to choose a date. So let's say on 12th of September. Yes, 12th September at 10 a.m. I'm going to book an appointment. And here I'm going to provide the details. So let's keep it as like birthday party or function name. Function date 15th of September. Name I'm giving, this is the customer's detail. Okay. So these are the details of my client, and here I'm choosing this appointment for dinner. And now I'm going to click on confirm booking. So the idea is, once the booking is confirmed, we are going to check on WhatsApp if the message is sending for the same or not. So here I'm going to confirm the booking. And now as you can see, the booking is confirmed, and here is the notification that you will receive a notification confirming the meeting details shortly. So here let's check on WhatsApp if the message is sent or not. Perfect. Here you can see this is the message for Zoya Khan. You have an appointment scheduled with us for birthday party. We look forward to see you on September 12th, 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. at 12 p.m. at 𝗏𝗏 Catering Services. So here is the message. So this is how the process is going to work, that whenever a customer is going to book an appointment, the message will be sent to them onto their WhatsApp. So now you must be thinking, how did I manage to perform this task, that as and when a customer is booking an appointment, he is receiving the same message on WhatsApp as well. So here let me tell you that to integrate youcanbook.me and WhatsApp, I have used three very simple steps and created this workflow. So let me tell you what are those steps, so you can also create this workflow really very easily. Okay guys, so these are the steps which I followed to create this automation between youcanbook.me and WhatsApp. So here the step 1 is, connect You Can Book Me page to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. Okay, so to perform the first step, first we need to log in into Pabbly Connect, and then we need to connect our youcanbook.me account with Pabbly Connect. Simple. So here to connect Pabbly Connect with youcanbook.me, we have to paste a webhook URL. So here you have an address is provided by Pabbly Connect. We have to copy the same and paste it into youcanbook.me, and this way our account will get connected to Pabbly Connect. So the second step here is collect the data from youcanbook.me in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now as our account of youcanbook.me is connected with Pabbly Connect, we are going to transfer the data from YouCanBookMe into Pabbly Connect. So here, whenever a client is going to confirm a booking, the same details are going to get captured here into Pabbly Connect automatically. Now the third step is send the same data to 𝗪𝗐 for sending messages on WhatsApp. Okay, so here what we have to do is the data which is collected into Pabbly Connect from YouCanBookMe, we have to transfer the same data to 𝗪𝗐 to start sending messages on WhatsApp. So now here you do not need to get confused what is 𝗪𝗐 and why are we using it. So further in the video I'm going to tell you in detail about 𝗪𝗐. Let me just tell you now that we are using a software to integrate WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect. Why? Because WhatsApp do not allows you to send messages directly. So to connect WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect, we are using a third software which is 𝗪𝗐. So let me show you the complete process on my screen and keep on watching till end so that you can easily get the idea how this process is going to work. Okay guys, so to start with the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly, Pabbly, pabbly.com. Okay, so now here you can see this is the website of pabbly.com. Here on this option products, we have to click on connect. So after clicking on connect, you can see this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. This is what we are using, Pabbly Connect. Now I have already created an account into Pabbly Connect, so that is why I'm going to click on sign in. But if you are a new user and you have not yet created your account, you can also create your account just by signing up for free from here. So here I'm going to click on sign in, and from here you can see these all apps window will appear. And to continue with the workflow, I'm going to click on connect on access now. So once I clicked on access now, you can see this dashboard will appear. Here on the top right corner, I'm going to click on create workflow. Okay, so now as you can see, this dialog box will just appear. So here it is basically asking us to give a name to our workflow. So I'm going to give it as youcanbook.me to WhatsApp. This is what our topic is. You can give it according to your choice as well. So now I'm going to click on create, and now as you can see, a workflow for youcanbook.me to WhatsApp is created. Now we have to continue with the steps. So here you can see there are two boxes. The first one is trigger and the second one is action. So now you must be thinking, what are they? So let me tell you here that automation works on the concept of triggers and action. So trigger basically means when this happens or happening of an event, and action means do this, or you can say the response to trigger. So here according to our topic, the trigger will be when an appointment is booked. So the action will be send a confirmation message on WhatsApp. So let us do this process practically. So here in the choose app, first I'm going to choose YouCanBookMe. And in the trigger event, I'm going to choose new booking. Okay, so once I have choose the trigger event, now you can see this webhook URL along with the steps guides are provided here into Pabbly Connect. So here the first step which we need to follow is log in into your YouCanBookMe account. Okay, and the second step here is select the booking page you want to add a webhook and click edit settings. Perfect. So here, as I already showed you, this is my account and I've already logged in into. So this is the dashboard. Now we have to click on our booking page which we want to connect with Pabbly Connect. So here my booking page is this one, catering services. So that is why I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click here at edit settings. Now we need to connect our account with Pabbly Connect, so we need to paste this webhook URL there. So from where we can do this? From here, this option notifications, we are going to click on actions. So once I'm going to click on actions, here you can see I have to click on after new booking made. Okay, so once the new booking is made, what I'm going to do right now is, okay, I'm going to remove this already existing webhook, and I'm going to paste the new one which is provided here. You do not need to get confused here. Okay, so from this option plus I'm going to add webhooks here. Okay, so once I've provided the webhook, you can see this is the page will look like. So here you have to copy the same URL. Copied. Now we are going to paste it here. Okay, So we just pasted. Now in the HTTP method, we have to click on post. So once you are going to click on post, here you can see some payloads are provided automatically from You Can Book Me. So here you can see it has provided the start date, end date, time zone, first name and email. But I have to transfer all the data of my booking page into Pabbly Connect. So here you can see into my booking form there are some more fields. So for example, function name, mobile number and schedule. So how I'm going to do that? I need to add custom parameters here. How I'm going to do that is, let me show you. Here I have to provide them manually. Okay. So here what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to copy this format here and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. So I just copied it and here I'm gonna paste it. Okay. So now as you can see it is pasted. Now I'm going to write from here. It is just start date, but I want to provide start time as well. So here I'm just going to modify it as appointment date. All I'm doing is for my reference. You can do according to your choice. I'm doing it for appointment date so that it will be very clear for me. Appointment date, and here what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change it as start at. Starts at. Okay. And here I'm going to provide start local time. Okay. Start local time, and time zone is going to same. And here then I'm going to provide the same format here. After this I'm gonna write end time. I'm going to explain you after once I'm done mapping. Okay. Okay guys, so I mapped all I just provided all the custom parameters of my form. So let us see. I provided appointment date. So from there you can see my form. The date will be come. Okay. Now here let me show you what are the other things I entered here. You can see now I've provided the time of my appointment, the end time of my appointment, the first name. So what you have to just do it, you have to copy this format, you have to provide it this into this format, and you have to provide the key and the value of the key. So here let me tell you that the name of setup is the key and question 3 is the value. So let me show you from my form. Here you can see, for example, mobile number. So the mobile number is the key and the value of mobile number is question 2. So this is how you have to map it here. You can see mobile number, question 2. Okay, so here I'm going to remove it. So this way you have to provide parameters here to post the same data here into Pabbly Connect. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to click on save changes, and now as you can see my profile has been saved and my account of You Can Book Me is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now it has started waiting for the webhook response. So now I'm going to make a booking again here, and then we will see if the same details are getting captured or not. So here, okay, so let me take you to my booking page. Okay, choose a different time. I'm going to book a different appointment on Monday 13th of September of 12 p.m. and then we will see if the same details are getting captured here into Pabbly Connect or not. So here let me show you the function name. I'm going to keep it as engagement party. Engagement party. Okay. Function date I'm going to keep it as 20 September 2021. Okay. The name I'm going to provide it as let's say 𝗪𝗓. Okay. So these are the details of my clients 𝗪𝗓, and I'm going to keep the schedules as dinner. Okay. And now I'm going to click on confirm booking. So now as you can see the booking is confirmed, we are going to see if the same details are captured into Pabbly Connect or not. So perfect. Here you can see it is waiting for the webhook response, and now the same details of our client, which was 𝗏𝙗𝗫 𝗼, her email address, her function name was engagement party, all are captured here. You can see the appointment date as well, the start time. So this is how custom parameters worked here. Okay, now what are we going to do is we are now going to follow the second step, which is action. So here in the choose app, I'm going to choose 𝗏𝗏𝗏, 𝗏𝗏𝗏. So now you must be thinking, why are we using 𝗏𝗏𝗏? We are using 𝗏𝗏𝗏 to start sending messages on WhatsApp. As I told you earlier also, WhatsApp do not allows you to send messages directly. So that is why we are using this software. So here in the action event, I'm going to choose send template message. So here once the action event is selected, I'm going to click on connect. So here I'm going to connect my 𝗏𝗏𝗏 account. So for this I'm going to click on add new connection, and here you can see it is asking me to fill these two keys, which is API endpoint and access token. So let me read the help text from where we can get this API endpoint and access token. So it is saying navigate to top on your 𝗏𝗏𝗏 dashboard, click on hamburger icon, then click on API docs to find your API endpoint. Okay, and the same goes for access token. So here is my 𝗏𝗏𝗏 dashboard. You can see I have already created my account and started using 𝗏𝗏𝗏. You can also create your account in 𝗏𝗏𝗏 and start using it. So the link in the description is provided for the setup of 𝗏𝗏𝗏 account. You can go and watch it. Okay, so now we have to connect our 𝗏𝗏𝗏 account with Pabbly Connect. So for this, here I'm going to click this one, and I'm going to click API docs. So here at API docs, both of the keys will be available. Perfect, the access token as well as the API endpoint. Here first I'm going to copy the API endpoint, and I'm going to paste it here. And then you can see this is the access token, and I'm going to copy the same as well, and here I'm going to paste it. Perfect. And when I'm going to click on save, my 𝗏𝗏𝗏 account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. Now as you can see, it is connected. These fields just appeared and it is asking us to map data. Now you must be thinking, what is mapping and how it works? So let me tell you that the data which was captured here into Pabbly Connect from You Can Book Me, the same data will be available from this drop down here, and we can just simply mention the data by clicking once. So here we need to map WhatsApp number. So before mapping the WhatsApp number, we need to see this instruction here, which is enter a valid WhatsApp number with country code without plus sign. Okay, so here what we have to do is 𝗏𝗏𝗏 do not accept the plus sign along with the country code. So we have to provide a 10-digit phone number along with the country code, but we have to exclude the plus sign. So here I've already mentioned the data in this form. So that is why I'm gonna map it here. What I did actually, I mentioned the same thing into my form as well. So that is why I captured the data into this format. You can also mention the same thing into your form. Let me show you my form, what I actually did. You can see I have already provided this instruction here for my clients to provide the mobile number without country code or the plus symbol. So that is why I captured the data here into this format. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you the next step, which is send template. Now as you can see, there are various templates available. Why? Because my 𝗏𝗏𝗏 account is connected with Pabbly Connect. So that is why all the templates available into my Pabbly Connect account. So here you must be thinking, what are templates? So for this, let us move on to my 𝗏𝗏𝗏 dashboard, and here let me show you at broadcast what are template message. So template messages are basically a predefined message structure which you create to start sending the same on WhatsApp. So what you have to do here is, first you need to create a new template, and then you need to get it approved from Facebook. Then only you can start sending it on WhatsApp. So from here, this option, new template message, you can also create the template message. You have to give the template name, category. You need to provide the body of template. So body requires the complete message you are planning to send. So it can be anything like the name of customer, hello, good evening, thank you for signing up, your order is confirmed, anything like that. And once your body of the template is completed, you need to click on save as draft. Perfect. Now once your template is saved as draft, the status here will be shown in green color as draft. Now you need to get it approved. So to get it approved from Facebook, you have to submit your template from this arrow options, and once it is submitted, it usually takes a time of 30 minutes to 2 business days to get approved, and once it is approved, you can start using it. So here the template which I'm going to use here is appointment schedule. So here you can see it will be here. Yes, appointment schedule. Let me show you what is my template here. you can see this is the already created template into my account which I created and get it approved. So here let me show you the content. So here the template name is appointment scheduled. I have provided the category as well, and here you can see this is the body of my template. Dear, the name, you have an appointment scheduled with us for meeting underscore name, and here is the complete message. So now you must be thinking, what are these values which I have provided between double curly braces? So here let me tell you that they are variables. Basically, you can say they are custom parameters. So they are going to keep on changing along with every new customer. So that is why I have provided them into variables. So further in the video, I'm going to tell you the usage as well. So let me first continue with the process. The next thing I'm going to do is provide the broadcast name. So I'm going to provide the broadcast name as my service name as 𝗏𝗏 Catering Services. You can give the broadcast name according to yourself. Okay, so here basically the use of broadcast is at Vati, you can check the broadcast history and the status of the messages. That's it. So here you have to provide the broadcast name. Now what I'm going to do next is add custom parameters. So let me tell you my template here. So in my template, the values here which I have provided as variables, I have to map the same here into this format. Let me read the format for you. Here you have to provide it parameters into comma separated object. So what we have to do is we just have to copy the same format here. Okay. And then we need to paste it here, and then we need to start providing keys and values of the keys. So the first key is name, and now we need to write the name of, okay. So here, let me first tell you how many parameters are there. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parameters are there into my booking template. So here I'm just first going to provide the same 4 parameters here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to provide the values here as well. Let me remove the extra space. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this example, and I'll start mapping the same details here. So the first parameter into my template is name. So here in the name, I'm going to write name by removing the color thing. Okay. I write the name. Now I'm going to write the name of my, in the value, I'm going to provide the name of my customer who was 𝗏𝗍𝗫. Okay. So this way I just mapped the name. Now I'm going to remove this example again, and in the name, I'm going to provide the key which is a meeting name. So I'm just going to copy the same format. Okay. And here I'm going to paste it. Okay. And now I need to provide the value. So value I'm going to provide from here. I need to provide the name of the meeting, which is engagement party. Perfect. Now again, let's see the third here, parameter here, which was date time. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, again, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and then I need to provide the value as well. So here we are first going to map the date, which is this one, 13th of September. And then we are going to provide the timing as well. So here with the space, I'm going to write the timing as well. So first I'm going to provide the timing start. Okay. And I'm going to write with a space 2. And I'm going to provide the time of ends at as well. So this way I just provided the third parameter. Now let me check what is the last parameter here. You can see it is location. Okay. Now let me. Okay. So now again I'm going to remove this thing here. Okay. And I'm going to provide the location as well here. It was location. Okay. And in the value, I'm going to provide the location from here, this drop down. So the location is, it is not available here. So I'm just going to provide it manually. So the location is E24 Arera Colony, Bhopal. So I just provided the address, or you can say location manually. Why? Because it was not available here. You can do the same as well. So now as you can see, all the custom parameters are ready. Now what I am going to do is I am going to click on save and send test request, and then we will see if the WhatsApp message on this WhatsApp number is sending for appointment confirmation or not. So here I just clicked on save and send test request. And now here you can see the response is received, and according to this a message is sent on WhatsApp. So let's check here. Perfect. Here you can see it is the message for 𝗏𝙗𝙫, right? Dear 𝗏𝙗𝙫, you have an appointment scheduled with us for engagement party, and here are all the details. So this means we have created the workflow. Now let us check our workflow in real time if it is running smoothly or not. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to book an appointment again for a different client, and then we will directly check on WhatsApp if the message is sending or not. So here again I'm going to confirm a booking. So let's keep it as marriage anniversary. Okay. Okay, now it's anniversary. Okay, now I'm going to provide the function date. So the function date, let's keep it as 25 of September 2021. Okay, now I'm going to provide the details. So the details are for Alex James. Okay, so here the name is Alex James. The email address, let me mention the phone number as well. Okay, now here you can see I'm going to keep it as lunch, and now I'm going to click on confirm booking. So now we are going to check that as and when I'm going to confirm booking, the same message is sending on WhatsApp or not. So here I just clicked on confirm booking, and here is the notification that the booking is confirmed for Alex James. Now we will directly check on WhatsApp if the message is received or not. So perfect. Here you can see this is the message for Alex James. You have an appointment scheduled with us for marriage anniversary. We look forward to see you on this date, this time at Arera Colony, Bhopal. Isn't it wonderful that I just created the workflow between You Can Book Me and Vati with the help of Pabbly Connect, and our workflow is running very smoothly. So let me tell you what we actually did. So here first we connected our YouCanBook.me account with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL and captured all the details here. And then we connected our Vati account with Pabbly Connect and mapped all the data here. And in this way, we just very simply created this amazing workflow. And now whenever a booking is confirmed, the message will be sent on WhatsApp. So this is how we create this automation. Now here I would like to tell you one more amazing thing, that you can use the same workflow into your Pabbly Connect account, as the link of this same workflow is provided into the description box. So you can just copy it and start using it into your Pabbly Connect account. Isn't it very wonderful? Not just these applications, you can integrate plenty of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. This was all for today's video. If you have any feedback, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can also ask your queries at this link here. And if you want to check the price for Pabbly Connect, you can check the price from here, this link, and automate your business. If you like our video, do not forget to press the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And for more such videos, you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.